How to get paid with Shopify POS. You've finally done it. You've taken the plunge and decided to open up your very own brick and mortar store. Congratulations. The next step is to set up a payment system so you can start ringing up sales. If you're using Shopify Point of Sale, you might be wondering how exactly you'll get paid. Here's a quick breakdown of how Shopify POS works and how you can get paid using this popular point of sale system. How does Shopify POS work? Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that enables entrepreneurs to set up and run their own online stores. Shopify also has its own point of sale system, which allows store owners to accept payments in person. When you sign up for Shopify POS, you'll be given a card reader that plugs into your iPhone or iPad. You can use the Shopify Point of Sale app to ring up sales and accept payments from customers via credit or debit card. Click the link in the description below to speak to someone about a payments account, getting paid with Shopify POS. One of the great things about Shopify Point of Sale is that it's integrated with the rest of your Shopify account. This means that all of your sales data will be synced between your online store and your physical store, making it easier than ever to keep track of inventory and revenue. Best of all, because Shopify POS is integrated with your Shopify account, payments will be deposited directly into your bank account, just like they would be if someone made a purchase on your website. There's no need to set up a separate merchant account. All you need is a Shopify account and you're ready to start accepting payments in person. Now that you know how Shopify Point of Sale works and how you can get paid using this popular POS system, it's time to start setting up your physical store. With Shopify Point of Sale, you can easily accept payments from customers and have those payments deposited directly into your bank account. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start selling. Click the link below to speak to a payments representative.